Sorry, there has been some small inverter problem. Suddenly it went out and it is coming now again. So I am back. This good that it has not created any flutter in the only one. Oh God, my view was dropped. I hope they come back. Wow, it started making profit. That's good. So So the stop loss is 149, can be shifted now to 164, 162. Okay, so we have entered at 164. Now it is at 194. So 30 points is made now. So that is the 30-point promise that we keep giving you. So this has now crossed that 195, 194, 195. So 30 points is made. But even now, this has got legs to go up to 230 if Nifty continues to make clean green candles like this. Okay, so it has to keep making clean green candles, and only thing is the previous candle high should be taken out each and every time. Then automatically the option price will keep going up, and Nifty also will keep going up. You can stay put, as long as the system holds and says it is making green candle, then you can go up to 230. That is from 164 to 230 will be 36 plus 30, almost 66 points. So we will get, so just hang on to it. Don't be in a hurry to, the technical stop loss now at this point of time is, let me revise it to 182. Okay, so let me revise this thing. There can be one stop loss hunting candle can come, so be prepared for that. But if you have multiple lots, keep selling the multiple lots, few lots, so that you can keep booking the profit, or keep one lot, you can trail it at a higher price and one at a lower price, so that you won't miss out the profit that is going to come. Simply hang on to it. It is making each candle, it is taking the previous candle high, and it is progressing further and further up. It is already now at 200, made a high of 201.95. So another 30 points to go. Simply sit and wait. Don't do anything. So our 2000 rupees per day, possible maximum per trade, sorry. So this trade is already achieved, 2250 crossed now. Let us see where it takes us to. Nifty may have a small hurdle at 520 as usual, because 520 being the Fibonacci number, and there can be some profit booking because it is a round number. 25,500 is a round number. There can be some profit booking and retracement. So keep your stop losses accordingly to your risk and profit appetite. So each candle we have to simply look at here only, and whether it is making a clean green flat green candle. So as long as it is making making a doji, etc., we continue to hold. The option price may now and then make one small red candles, don't worry about that. No price will linearly move. Okay, $25,500, there is huge number of call writers sitting there. So they will try their best to turn the market around to pull it down, and so if at all you are exiting, be prepared to re-enter once the next candle again makes a clean green red candle. The option price is slightly weakening, so let me revise the full technical stop loss now. Yeah, it continues to be there. So there was one attempt was made to bring it below 500. Now again Nifty is trying to push it up. Buying is again should emerge here. And 25,600 is the logical target for the Nifty before the summer. So one attempt to bring it down below 500 has failed. So profit, I mean buying has emerged. This time now it should cross 201.95. That is our option. Once it crosses that, then it can have the next leg up to 230. But if it doesn't crosses 201, now 201.95, then there is a possibility that Nifty also may not cross 500 convincingly. Let us hope Nifty crosses that. And a yellow line has also come up to 490, so which is also good. So as I drew in the morning, the whole thing is coming up into that exact shape. Repeated attempts to bring it below 25,500 is happening because there is a big call rater sitting there. So because they know once it crosses this day high again, Nifty will run up another 50 to 100 points by tomorrow. So they will be in a very big soup. And it will quickly come to here. It will quickly come to here. Hello. So if you are taking the position, just hold on. The price has to come below yellow line, then only we need to square off the position. Otherwise, you can continue to hold. The revised stop loss is 184. So there is a tug of war going on for the 25,500 because there is a enormous amount of call writers are sitting there. They are trying to bring the price down, but there is buying pressure in the market. So the market is trying to go up and try to hit this 580 point, which is a option writer zone. If that is taken out, 660 will come by Diwali. So Nifty is not going to give up easily this 25,500. Our target of 232 will definitely come. We entered at 164. 232, 234, 232, 234 will be 40 plus 30, 70 points. I'm pretty sure, and if it crosses that, then I will give you the next target, not before. It made couple of 3 dojis now, and let us hope next candle becomes a clean green candle. Once it crosses 25,520, there will be a good shift movement towards 25,540. But for that, Nifty has to cross this 25,520. Once 25,500 call, traders run for cover, there will be a massive jump in both the call prices as well as in Nifty price. That will happen only around 540, that is 25 540. So much pull and pressure that's happening. T is not allowed to go past 25 520 because that is a critical Fibonacci number between 200s. So once it crosses, then 50 only will be the resistance. It won't look at 24 500. It will look at only 25 550, which is very risky for the option writers. because another 30 points they all will have to run for their money. They will be taken to task. Anyway, either today or tomorrow they will be taken to task. This 24,560, 580 will be taken out. The way Nifty is playing today from morning, it made only some few red candles. That too in a very tight range of 15 to 20 points. It will be painful, but it will go. See, always when it is going up, it will go up in staircase. Coming down, it will come in lift. That is how Nifty behaves. So the next wave of buying should come now, because buying has taken it from here 449 to 512. 70 points of buying has taken done. There is small exhaustion will be there. Station पे थोड़ी देर रुकेगा. The train will stop and then go. Pick up fuel, coal, everything, passengers, and then again only it will go. It can't keep on going, no. It will be step by step process, wave after wave. The fundamentals of Doe theory. Once the train again starts with all the adjustment done to the passengers and everything, to the buyers, etc., then it will start chugging along again. Now the stop loss is 190. It will break the back of one by one the call writers, and then only it has to go. Call writers are like the chains stopping the train. So एक को तोड़ के it has to go up. It is 206, means 42 points now. Let us hope we will reach the 60 points mark. Once it takes up again the previous candle high, always there will be a big thrust. Yes. Staying above 25 520 is becoming a challenge for it. 130 maybe the move will come. The last hurrah attempt of the call writers trying to bring it down below. One more attempt to cross, try 520 has failed. You will see where the next candle is starting. So this should become a green candle now. Ah, what a candle. This candle, once it becomes a green, then it will have a very powerful thrust generator will come into play. In aeroplane, they say there is a thrust generator which will accelerate. Put rate started in 25,500. Wow. They are writing left, right and center 25,500 put. So to square off their losses at 25,400, 500 CE, twice the amount they will end up writing, because 25,500 CE is at 135 rupees. They may not write it now. So what they will do is to twice the amount of that, that is what is called adjustment, because this is 64 and that is 130, 132 or something. So 2:1 ratio they will keep on writing. Okay, and squaring of keeping the market at same place. So by the time, so that it doesn't fall, they are holding the market back, so that they can write 1:2, 1:2.2 ratio, and also square of their calls. That 25,500 calls that was written yesterday. Massively. So each 3 minutes they are writing 2 million puts at 65 rupees. Once they have written enough to cover their losses in 25,500 call, they will let the market go up and let this fall, so that they will make that adjustment. See, that's it. Now that put, they will keep on writing. There is enough bears in the market in India. There are put lovers. Extraordinary number of put lovers are there, so they will play that game. Now we don't have to worry. So 25,500 will never get taken out. You simply hold, nothing else you do. This 234, whatever the target I gave will come. Definitely it will come. There's no doubt about it. You can sit and relax. Even now they are writing that for every 3 minutes they are writing 2 million puts at 62 rupees, 63 rupees. That is why call is jumping but put is not falling. Stage by stage they are doing it. 200 to 210. Wow. Let me revise the stop loss. Now the stop loss is 198. Wow, they're still holding at bloody 62 rupees. How this is possible? Some golmaal is taking place. it is at the money, so it is not falling. From 65, it has now only to 61, and multiple millions. Each candle is having 2 to 3 million put is being written, and the call has just gone up by 9 rupees. Call up because that is deeply in the money, 25,400. Okay. 40 now, 25,550 will be the next stop. There's always some up down movement. We will see 2 o'clock move. We will see a 2 o'clock move. 208. So this is becoming now 204. Not 3, 204. Why? Another 5 minutes, we'll see what is going to happen to Nifty. Two minutes are there. Okay. Nifty will try to cross the day. Day high is at what? At 44. Okay. Day is again is taken out. Then there will be another trust, 8 more points, 7 more points, just 7 more points, 6 more, 7 more, 6 more, 4 more, 4 more, 4 more. So just one more minute, it is trying to take the day high and just before the European 130 move. Okay, that's a good sign. Taken out all. So again a day high was taken out. The 230 is coming in just another few minutes. I think we should have the 230 target that I have given around 2 o'clock. And there was so much 25,400, 500 put has been written. It's a safe bet. So we can continue to hold and let us see where the market closes today. If it takes out 25,560 etc., you may even see 25,600 by tomorrow. I won't be surprised even if it comes today also. But for that, Nifty has to cross and stay above 25,550. They are still writing this 25,500 put. Okay, at 59 rupees, 60 rupees. They are writing in millions for each and every 3-minute candle. They are writing 2 million to 3 million puts. So, Nifty breaking below 25,500 is not possible this week for the amount of put that has been written today. Nifty is crossing 25,550 now. All the price adjustment also will take place now. it is you have to be patient enough to really sit and kind of watch closely. Still they are writing. They are not letting it go at all. There is some calculation background is there. Based on that, see, Nifty has come up from 30 to 50, but this call has not gone up. So that is because there is some calculation that is going on. It is deeply in the money. But once Nifty jumps, suddenly you will see a big spark in this. It has already made a high of 227. So another 3 to 5 points and my target is done. Nifty is going in for, it is going to take this 25,500 call writers to cleaners now. So they have to massively write 25,500 put to compensate that loss. Collapse of the put premium is going to take place in next few minutes. So my target of 232 is already achieved now. That's good. So we entered around here when the Nifty took the day high, etc. From here, we rode from 164 now to 232, which is what? In fact, it is made a high of 232 now. Let me make it 234. Just a couple of minutes. So it is 234 now. 164 to 234 will be 70 points. So we have made another 70 points trade today. Yesterday we made a 80 points trade. Today it's a 70 points trade. Let us see where it finally goes and ends up. Yesterday we made a 6k. Today also another 6k. This is good. Okay. Now the collapse of the premium which I was talking about, the put premium, is happening. Market was bound to go up, there is no doubt about that. Market was bound to go up because there is so much put writing was taking place in the market, and now let me revise the stop loss. I forgot to do that. I'm sorry. Just a second. Wow, one candle from 221 to 249. Now it is 230. We can have 228 as the stop loss. No, sorry. Yes, 222 as the stop loss now. 222 Nelson number is the stop loss. Okay. See, the market is keep going up, so it will try to cross 25,600 also today. It exactly went there. So we can always keep revising our stop losses. This is not going to stop. This is not going to stop. Okay. Patiently wait. You patiently wait now. Because Nifty is trying to take out this 80 also, 580 also. Once it takes out 580, it's a open sky. I can't give any more targets. As of now, it is at 253. So one lot 6,500. Let us see where it ends today. Nifty, if it crosses 25,600, there is another. Let me check what else will be there. Oh, they have started writing put for 25,500 they have written. Now they started writing it for 25,550, and they are also started to write for 25,600 for today. Hmm. But there is there is slightly more full day. Let us see. So Nifty has made a high of 77. From there, normal as usual, the 25,000, I mean 80 retracement has taken place for once, and I assume that put of 54 rupees is being still returned heavily. Okay. Again, there will be one more attempt will be made towards 80, and this time it will cross. Then it will be at 25,600. You have to patiently wait. You have to patiently wait. Okay. Still, they are tempting these very poor put buyers. Hmm. It is again jumping. Wow, 100 it has gone to. I should have bought it. Cha. Hello. So our team has given a new code. Just let me just add. Okay. So the target has already been reached. So it is now at quoting at. Let me check. At 249. So 232 was the target that was given. Now it is quoting at 249, and it has got further legs to go because 25,500 put has been almost 1 crore has been returned during last 2 hours, meaning they know that 25,600 is going to cross the adjustment. The call raters and put raters, what they will do is that once they know their call is going to get hit and they are going to have some losses on that, they will start rating put. So before allowing the market to go up, that is the reason you would see that they held the market at 25,520 for such a long time, so that they were rating that at 65, 69 rupees to 54 rupees, they wrote millions and millions of 25,500 put. Okay. So now once that is there, they are letting it go. Now it is crossing. Now it should cross 25,600. Now actually what can be the target is I mean, not for this thing, for the Nifty. Nifty 660. Okay, so this will be what will be the $660. Oh, why it is 676? It has clearly taken out the right shoulder this thing, as well as this 1 year trend line. So that is in one powerful move it has taken out. So there are now rumors that 27,000 is in sight before December. So we have to tighten our belts for a fantastic ride, if that is what is true is all about. Okay, so 25,668 will be the next what you call as the resistance, because this trend line it has broken, and this is will be considered as the recent swing high. Whether the market will make a double top or a double down from that point, we will know. So tomorrow definitely we will know. Another 60 points only. Once it is crossed, then 26,277 will be the next target for the Nifty. So it has been so long, it has been holding back. Now Nifty is making good strides. So 25,668.55. So let me draw the line there. 25,666.55. $8.15. Okay. Exact. So this will be the target now. Okay, this will be the resistance point for Nifty, and it can come today, tomorrow, I don't know when it can come. We have another 1 hour to go, so I won't be surprised if Nifty crosses 25,600 today itself. Meanwhile, let me do some without disturbing your view. I'm trying to do that. Nifty is now will make one more attempt towards 25,600 and then 620. There were in between some small red candles. Okay, so now let me give the target price also. Okay. Actually speaking, I can't give. There is no target price for this. Absolutely no target price. It is at I don't know, because if you look at 680 means okay, let me calculate that. 251 and Nifty is at 95, another 60 points, another 30, so 280, no, calculate 281 should be the target price. Now let us shift the stop loss now, so that because we have come up so much. 234 is the stop loss now. So it has already made what, 6,800 rupees from the day time we have entered. So this is what is called, we might have missed the previous, before that price when we entered, it was at 150, but our entry will be always be very confirmed entry. Yesterday we made a 6k, today we have already crossed 7k, and I won't be surprised this will lead to a 10k profit, this trade alone in one lot. So which will be roughly what, it is already 57%, it will be 70% of the cost. So to earn 70% in FD, go and calculate it will take 6 years. Okay, if you put 20,000 rupees in FD to earn 70%, it will take 6 years. Now you have earned it in what? In 2 hours. But you have to have patience. You have to have patience and you have to keep checking. Nobody were there. I was just checking the 25,500 put. Hmm. What is the stop loss I have given? 234. At least close one. Hmm. Hmm. That is the power of deeply in the money call. So I gave a target price of 281. Let us see whether we make it, because we made a high of 276 just a couple of minutes back. So another 5 rupees it would have made the 281. But because it crossed 25,600, always at a round number there will be a small retracement. Good. This is a fantastic ride. From 164, we are riding this particular call. Now it is at 264, and the target is should be 281. It has already made a high of 274, 274, 275. So another 5 to 6 rupees. I think the next thrust it should make that. Nifty is 279 points up. So this is the short covering of the massive short covering that is taking place from the FIIs and HNIs. Okay, so they have been holding Nifty short for such a long time. Today's move has completely turned the whole ball around. So our entry point was perfect at 164. We waited till from morning we have been saying once it crosses 164 enter. Now it is more than 100 rupees now, and 281 if it crosses, then we need to recalculate again the target price. And because this is deeply in the money call of 25,400, already Nifty is 200 points up, and we have tomorrow Friday, and then we have Monday. I think Monday is working, and this 20th it is, that is Monday, it is expiring to just 2 more days. It may not have a good time this thing, so tomorrow probably, if we are carrying forward, tomorrow we should exit from this call. Otherwise we will see how tomorrow start to where it over today it ends. Because the futures is up, US futures is up, and Europe is doing well. Now it is another round of there is a interest rate cut that everybody is talking about again by Fed, so which is pushing the market up again. It is coming in the right time, and hopefully we get this US India tariff, and that joker will sign, I think. Trump joker. But one thing is, this Trump's, this thing is different. In last 6 months he has done so much. Okay, whether it is right or wrong is different. He is not a figurative high by president. Whether stupid decisions or good decisions or bad decisions, he makes decisions. So where Nifty finishes will be the what you will that will decide whether you carry forward or not. If you have multiple lots, you should close one lot, that is for sure. So the overall cost price will dramatically come down, and you won't feel sad tomorrow even if there is a big gap down. So let us assume you have 2 lots. So by the day ends, one lot, each lot will have around 8,500 or 9,000 as a profit. 7,500. Let's take it 8,000. Okay, it's already 7,900. So 8,000 will be profit. So 4 lots means you can close for 2 lots and first book the 16,000 rupees profit, and then that will reduce the cost to almost zero. Not zero, and will reduce it to some 70 or 30 odd rupees. Instead of your entry premium of 164, 16,000 gone for 4 means 200 would have been, 150 would have been 20,000. 4,000 rupees it would have become the cost. Then we can always play. Just wait and watch and play. It was very clear when the volume of 25,500 puts were written. I was following the put price only. From 67 rupees they are writing millions and millions. Volume is going up, and first let us see whether my target is reached or not. 281. 281, yes. Hmm. 273.1 is the high. Another 8 rupees. So we'll wait. This is actually a blue sky calculated one. There is no technical answer to it. Meaning it is not a technically driven. 245, 3 o'clock. We don't know what move is going to come. Nifty should hold about 25,600. Now this is gone up to 248. Market is trying to correct itself now. Do not enter into any put now. Market is very strong. This can be only a profit booking candle. Okay, so do not enter into put hurriedly. There will be one small profit booking candle. It will keep coming. See, we got one here, we got one here, we got one here, we got one here, but are all small candles, so it was not very any major this thing. Having run up 270 points, there will be some people who will get nervous seeing the amount of profit they are making, so they will book, and all the solid long term people who knows what is going to come even next week, they will simply go and gobble it up, and tomorrow morning there will be a gap up, and all those who are sold now will feel bad. So you have a technical stop, wait for that, and if it hits, it's fine, otherwise just relax, and whichever way you look at it, you will get minimum 6527. So there was one drop always. When the round figure comes, there will always be a one drop. 1400. So I'm still waiting for it to cross my target. I'll be happy only when my target is hit. It is just 4 rupees distance, 277.45. This is 281 is my target. Maybe my calculation was wrong because it was a calculated figure. As usual, crossing 20 is becoming a challenge. Okay, so 3 o'clock move was slightly negative, but yesterday also then it started to move up. There was some red candle yesterday around that time, and then again from 3.5 3.10 it started to move up. Hopefully the same thing will happen today also. Profit booking is taking place. Profit booking is taking place. The stop loss is hit. The stop loss is hit. Great. Okay, so it should say stop loss hit. I don't know what has happened to that highlighting. Good. So this made almost 6,200 rupees like yesterday. So we are done trading. Don't do any more trading now. Just leave it. Let the market go anywhere. Just forget. Relax. Yesterday 6k. Today another 6.5 to 7k. Cool. Just keep that, and then we will see tomorrow. Because now don't try to enter into a put, etc. This is only a profit booking. People who have been seeing profit in this thing from here to here, they're bound to book some profit, and many people don't carry it forward. Okay, so around 3 o'clock it started. Number one. Number two, those who are in leverage situation, they will try to close their day trading on shares, etc. They'll start closing it by 3 o'clock. Around 3:20, ICICI and other major stockbrokers also automatically it will start closing the intraday positions. Various brokers do it in different time, and that is what is actually happening. So people, before that comes, a lot of people preempt. They know around 3:15 they will be selling come. It will be done by auto square off by the demat accounts of the trading platforms. Before that they will jump start that. Okay. So they will jump start. So all that is taking place. Forget it. Don't enter anything now. If you have made that money, simply go home. You can see tomorrow whatever is the status. Don't try to scalp now, because last half an hour can be very brutal on whichever side you think. Your stop loss is hit. You made the money from what, 164 to 248, I think. Yeah, 1 second. 248. So how much? 84 points. So what is 84 points? It is more than 6,300 rupees. So be happy with it. That's it. So we will see tomorrow again. After some time, around 3:15 I will close today, and we can always meet tomorrow. Do not carry forward any call, because this is a very big run. Tomorrow there can be a small respite. Okay, the Nifty can start 15-20 points below. Since it is not closing at the highest point, we will see where at least at 3:15, and then I will say whether you can carry forward or don't carry forward. We can always get trades like this. So today we didn't have. Yesterday I told many people to carry forward, and I carried forward, and that got stop loss hit very few minutes back. Okay, that was a very big ride from 24 to 25 to 50 call. It went, and from we entered around 227 or something yesterday. Today it got closed at around 401, and today we entered here and then made this. So we will get an opportunity tomorrow, either on call side or put side. let what market do whatever it is, what जो बना है उसको वापस नहीं देने का. Okay, so don't give anything back. Simply keep your positions, and then can always come back and find some other trade. Now this 25, this limit drawn, line drawn that I have drawn will shoot some work as a support. It already did for one particular candle here around 250. This candle also it should come up, but if the body goes below this, then it may start making red candles. Please remember 25,500, more than 1 crore of puts were written today. So even if you take a put, don't take it slightly away. Take it minimum 25,600 as put. If you are really scalping, you can't control a leach to trade, etc. and all that, even for the balance time, take it 25,600 put only. Don't take it 25,550 or 500. They have already bitten heavily, so they will never allow the market to go below that. So so don't get into any puts now. If at all you are getting into a very deeply in the money put, don't try 25,500 put especially, because as I was narrating few minutes back, heavy put rating has taken place at 25,500. So the option writers will ensure that the price don't fall. So it may keep showing that it will go down and all that, but it won't happen. If at all you are urged to do you can do only 25,600, that too when the Nifty goes below 25,570. It should go below 570, then you can play that 50 to 60 points, that's all. Hello, anything specific you wanted to, because it's already 15 minutes and last 15 minutes. Is there anything specific you want to know? Just thanks for joining. So I can provide you. I don't suggest you to carry forward anything, neither call nor put. Market is closing almost near to the top, okay, around 270 points. It doesn't mean that tomorrow there will be a big gap up, but there can be a small gap down. That is the reason, neither whichever way you look at it, there will be huge theta decay tomorrow, because there is only one more day after tomorrow, okay. So don't carry forward anything today, neither even deeply out of money, deeply in the money, don't do that. So because tomorrow can be slightly tricky if there is a follow through, because after this 250 points of jump, we don't know whether the follow through is going to come, or there can be a small trade back. The US futures are high, I mean on the positive side only, so you will get international cues positively only, but still I won't suggest you to take that risk. And all my at least automated systems are closing the calls one by one, and it is not having any position, and my put strategies have not created anything. So scalping, only those who are doing, they should scalp for next 15 minutes and close it out before. One is that either there can be a flat market or there can be a slightly negative market. Anything can happen. 20 plus or minus from the close can happen tomorrow. That is my view. So I won't suggest you to carry forward anything. So actually the stop loss hit should have come here and it should have stopped here. I'm just checking the team whether anything is happening or not. Why it is not happening? If Nifty closes at the peak, then you can, try out a carry forward. But even that, I won't suggest. Given that Nifty is up almost 245 points by the day, and maybe another 10-15 points may get added because all the selling would have profit booking would have been completed by now between 3 and 320. I won't suggest that tomorrow there will be a big gap up or anything like that. Strongly convinced, unless of course you are strongly convinced, one can carry, otherwise no. Okay, thanks for watching. So I'm just closing down now. See you tomorrow. Nothing much is going to happen now in the market. See you tomorrow. The chart will be running. Okay, so I have to do some other work. So there won't be any more commentary. unless you have anything specific to ask. I'm just closing down. Is there anything specific? Hello? Because just another couple of more minutes. I have said please do not carry forward anything, because even though Nifty is closing at the top, even deeply in the money call, there is only one more day after tomorrow. So there can be a very good theta decay. If market opens 20 points, 30 points down, the best way to thing to carry forward is only CE. Okay, we can't expect there will be a gap down. There can be a gap down, but we can't play. No, it won't be huge. So if there is no follow through, it can be 10, 20 points gap down. That will not fetch you anything, and the gap up cannot be possible. That is the reason I'm telling please do not carry forward anything. So although we have made money, almost 6,300 rupees, stay with it, and tomorrow we'll come back and see another fresh trade. Like yesterday it was a good day, today was also a good day, and then we will continue forward and see the trade. If there is nothing else is there, I will close the stream now. Please comment. I'll wait for a few seconds. Okay, thank you.